Oh, hi everybody. In today's video we're going to show you how I use the Land Pride Soil Pulverizer to get the south side of the pond ready for seeding. The white material that you see on the bank is those bentonite chips that I scattered around the perimeter of the pond a few videos ago. I'm hoping that it's going to add a little bit of protection against leaks as the water rises higher. This area has a lot of springs in it. You can see the grass at the lower part of your screen here in just a second. That was real mushy in there and I tried to stay out of there. Sometimes it would kind of plug the roller up and I'd have to work my way around that. There you can see a better shot. That's all mushy in there. You'll sink into your ankles real quick. It's just a never-ending spring in that area. You can see I have a little bit of ballast in the bucket. It's not a lot, there's only a couple 100 pounds in there, and the tractor's performing very well. As I drive up the hill right here, I'm using the shanks of the pulverizer to soften up the edge where we had done some grading and it was the existing. I want to round that off so I can mow it and not scalp that area every time I go past it. And the shanks are doing a very good job. I wanted to take a moment and remind you that this pulverizer is the single roller that weighs 491 pounds. It's designed for a max engine horsepower of 35 horsepower. There's 21 shanks and there's 86 spikes in the single roller. I was reading the owner's manual the past weekend, and I see they advise in that you can add 400 pounds to the pulverizer if it's needed. I'm going to try that someday and report back. I'd like to see if the 1025 would lift that. That white marker, that fiberglass marker pole there, that's to remind me to stop, because if you get much closer to the pond, you're going to be in the water before you have time to think. See the grass along the pond edge there, that's all soft. It continuously weeps. It's all natural springs in there, so that's why you're not going to see me backing into that area. I'm not going to bore you with putting the erosion control, the straw mat down like you can see there in the background. I did do it on this entire south side of the bank for erosion concerns, and it worked very well. We're getting pretty close to the end of this video now. I just want to point out we're on the south side now. If you look past the tractor, that is the west side of the bank. It's about a 30 or 40 degree pitch, and we do that next. I promptly get stuck, and it was a real challenge getting that side done. See the green behind the tractor? There's a ravine right there. That's where most of the water source comes for this pond. It's right behind the pulverizer right now. You can see the green in there between that stump and that pulverizer. That runs continuously year-round. Pretty fortunate. More seed and more fertilizer. I like that triple 13 fertilizer, and I have a local source for that seed, and I really am happy with the results. I've got a couple eagles that live on the property. Let's listen. There they are. Did you just hear it? They sit up on the hill from this pond, and one viewer pointed out they're probably waiting for me to get it stocked with fish. Well, there it is. It's all pulverized and seeded. I've got to put the straw mat on it yet. And we're going to jump ahead here and go to the future, and I'll show you what this looked like after 4 weeks. This grass is about 4 weeks old, and it has really come up nice. Boy, I just couldn't be happier. I was pretty happy indeed. Well, that's all we've got for this episode. Please join me for episode 9, where I go over and get promptly stuck. Thanks for watching. So long for Today in Iowa.